Module 7 review of the Super Affiliate Network Profit Boosting Bootcamp review. Module 7 here, we're going to talk about Simplify for Success. So glad you're here to join me today. My name is Adam Shelton on this wonderful review. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more information, edutainment information to grow your business and grow your channel each and every single day. So today's review here, and don't forget guys, right below this video in the description box, you can sign up and be a part of this bootcamp movement in 2021. Make money online, but learn how to do it effectively and more consistent. Now, results are not typical, but we'll definitely teach you how to build your business online. Now, in this review here, Ace is an experienced internet marketer. So the person that's going to be showing you how to do it correctly is a really professional internet marketer. She started out just like you are, watching the video like this, and she signed up and she got started. Now, with the Simplify for Success thing is keeping everything simple. I'm going to play a little bit of this video here for you to get an understanding of how this works, and definitely watch this whole video. I'm just going to play just a little bit of it, but when you come to this section of your actually bootcamp assignment, watch this entire video for you to get an understanding of
it. Students and someone who went ahead and got started with our.
Importantly, let you know how I can help you and why you should give me a little bit of your attention here today. In case you're wondering whether I'm a natural or not, I'm basically going to tell you I was unemployed. I wasn't even on financial assistance or welfare at the time. On top of that, Rich had his own job and he was working at Best Buy, which is across the way from the parking lot here where the Motel 6 is at. Now, here's the thing.
That's just a little bit of the video that I'm going to play for you right now. Just a little bit. She's talking about when she was actually homeless in Motel 6. So it's a wonderful story how she came from nothing to somebody you can really look up to in this space. So that's Ace Guzman talking about that as well. She's a good friend of mine, and she is a very popular and more professional person that you're going to be able to hear from throughout this program. So definitely pay attention to that as well. Now, Ace results from the video above her is her individual results, and you shouldn't assume that yours will be the same. Results will always vary. So when you watch this whole video here, just don't basically think that that's going to be you. You're definitely going to have to really commit, do the work, but definitely will guide you every step of the way to make sure you're getting the education you need to make things simple for you for success here. So Simplify Success is definitely keeping things really easy for you. Don't complicate things, focus on one thing and go after the next one. Now, this is a message from Misha Wilson. He is the CEO of the Super Affiliate Network. He kind of talks a little bit about, the Super Affiliate Network and what's the importance of really taking action in your business right now. Now, I'll play just a little bit of this video here for you to get an understanding as well.
And so much information from so many different sources that, if you try to go through all the information at once, or if you try to consume as much information as possible.
That's just a little bit of the video there. Just want to play just a little bit just to give you a sneak preview exactly what you're getting yourself into. And so I just wanted you to have a review over this here. When you get to module 7, keep it very simple. Watch this video here. It's about 24 minutes long. Ace talks about the importance of keeping things simple. So you're going to get a chance to see the story, the backstory, exactly what that's all entice. And then also you're going to get the message from Misha Wilson, talking about taking action, talking about the importance of, really keeping things, not only keeping things simple, but going after the success that you always wanted. And then when you get to this part here, make sure you fill out this information and put in your biggest takeaway for your advisor will be able to see that, and he or she can walk you through the next steps. Now, each one of these videos that I'm doing, I just want to give you the back view of exactly how the process works and how we're pushing you through each and every single day. So what I want you to do now is, if you haven't already, click on the link below to get started with this unbelievable opportunity in 2021, making money online, but not just making money online, but really taking ownership of your life and yourself in this year, because this is the perfect time to do that. And if you don't do it today, when will you do it? So definitely click on the link below, get started, and then when you get signed up, tell your advisor, I want to go straight to the boot camp and go right to all these videos that we're doing the review for, just for you. Why? Because I want to see you succeed. All right, click on the link below, get started. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel and to this video if you feel the urge to, and I'll see you on the next video review.